Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're thrilled to share an easy-to-follow step-by-step guide on how to start Shopify dropshipping in 2024. We'll cover everything from setting up your Shopify account to order processing, so be sure to stick around until the end. There's a fantastic surprise waiting just for you. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future dropshipping tips and tricks. Let's dive in. All right, let's dive into setting up your Shopify account. The great thing about Shopify is that you can get started almost for free. You can try Shopify free for 3 days with no credit card needed, and your first month is just $1. Sounds like a steal, right? Now, once you're on the Shopify website, the first thing you need to do is click on Start the Free Trial. Shopify will ask a few questions. Let's just skip those survey questions to save time and get right into the Shopify dashboard. The first thing we need to do is choose a Shopify plan. Before we start customizing and adding products, let me explain something quickly. When you start your free trial, you get 3 days completely free with no credit card required and no fees. You'll need to pick a plan after those 3 days. My tip is to make the most of the 3-day free trial and then choose a plan so you can get the $1 trial for the next month. All right, next up, we're going to choose a theme for our store. First, click on Online Store and then head over to Themes. As we scroll down, you'll see a bunch of awesome free themes to choose from. Pick one that matches your style or the vibe of the products you're selling. Once you've found one you like, go ahead and add it to your store. After the new theme is installed, click on Publish to activate it and make it live in your store. All right, now let's dive into choosing our products and niche. Finding the right products to sell can be overwhelming because there are millions of options available. So, how do we narrow down the winners? There are traditional methods like checking out TikTok Made Me Buy It on TikTok, browsing AliExpress's bestsellers or dropshipping centers, and seeing what's trending on Amazon's bestsellers. But these methods are quite saturated, as many people are using them. So, how can you stay ahead of the curve? The key to beating your competitors is to understand the best criteria for identifying winning products. First, it needs to be hard to find. If customers can easily find it anywhere, it's not a unique product. Second, it needs to be affordable. If the cost is too high, most people won't buy it. Lastly, it needs to solve a problem. Customers should instantly understand why they need this product and why they need it now. I highly recommend using Doba's Top Sellers section to find winning products. I'll leave a link in the description below this video so you can check it out too. Doba offers a wide range of trending products across categories like home, garden tools, beauty and health, outdoors, sports, pets, electronics, and more. This provides you with a wide range of options. Once you've picked the product you want to sell, it's time to import it into your Shopify store. We're going to use Doba to make this process super quick and easy. First, you need to sign up for a Doba account. Simply provide your email address, create a password, enter your first and last name, and add your phone number. After your Doba account is set up, the next step is to connect your Shopify store. On the Doba homepage, look for the Integrations tab and click on it, then select Shopify. Alternatively, you can go to My Doba, navigate to My Store, and click Connect a New Store. Choose Shopify Store from the list, which will redirect you to the Shopify App Store. Here, tap Install App to add Doba to your Shopify store. Once this is set up, you can list the products you want to sell from Doba in your store with just one click. And that's it. The product will appear in your Shopify store, complete with all the pictures, details, and everything else you need. Now that everything looks great, we need to ensure that people know our store exists. Otherwise, it will be pretty quiet. The good news is that you can market your products without spending a dime. One of my favorite ways to do this is by creating free organic TikTok videos. To get started, create a new TikTok account and order the product to your home. Once you have the product in hand, start filming organic videos that showcase how it works. You can also look for similar products on TikTok to see what content others are creating. Another fantastic resource is Fiverr, where you can find talented creators to produce user-generated content for your brand. Just search for UGC creators, and you'll find plenty of options to help you showcase your product in a relatable and authentic way. This can significantly boost your engagement. Next, let's discuss advertising. Once you have your videos ready, you can promote them through paid advertising. PPC ads are a proven method for driving traffic to your store. You can use various platforms to run your PPC ads, but right now, TikTok ads are becoming increasingly popular and often cost less than Facebook and Google ads. This is an excellent way to reach a wider audience without exceeding your budget. Finally, don't forget to use Canva to enhance your brand. You can create eye-catching graphics, including logos, promotional materials, and social media posts. Now that we've got customers checking out and buying our products, it's time to focus on shipping those products and ensuring they reach our target audience on time. We have two main ways to handle order fulfillment. The first option is to manually visit the supplier's website, purchase the product, and ship it to your buyers. However, this can be super time-consuming, especially as you start receiving 10, 20, or even more than 50 orders a day. That's where automation comes into play, and this is why Doba is such a game changer. As I mentioned earlier, Doba allows you to manage all your orders directly from your dashboard. You can send out orders automatically without needing to click a button. Once an order comes in, the system will identify where to buy from, process the purchase, and ship it directly to your customer. The best part? You don't have to lift a finger. Your orders are automatically fulfilled. This is one of the significant benefits of automation. It saves you tons of time, allowing you to reinvest that time into growing your business. So sit back, relax, and let Doba handle the order fulfillment for you. And here's the exciting surprise. Doba offers a 14-day free trial just for you. If you want to give it a shot, drop a comment below with Dropshipping Simplified, and we'll send you the link to get started. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing dropshipping tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy dropshipping.